Yes, my people for house, we don't come again for this Ogbonge matter where we bring come on a domot, and you know say TMC now the Ogbonge radio station and TV station when they bring the matter as it they happen. Yes, you know this matter when he move and one new sport when he just enter the sporting world, and now for Sweden now the one for Statham, and they say the sport now about doking, and I get my country people when we put mouth for this matter. And for my far left, I get the man when I call, say me now from the foreign world, but I know if you pronounce it anywhere, but name now Hege Nosa, and I get Swap Baby for the studio. More gonna great country people.
Country people, we salute you now.
We salute you now. Now, well done.
Yes, they done great owner. Yes, the matter when I bring come on our table this today now, the matter when it concern this new sport when they just bring come when it concern doking. What do you get to talk about the matter?
Now sport where Sweden introduced for their state, or rather their country, not be outside their country. So I believe they get reason why they introduce them, but it still they surprise me how the sport won't take place and how they go. And I don't read severally about it is still when we they check out generally, we they look and say whether the world they come to an end, because the name sex sport. So I won't be and never really know. Maybe when we don't begin to mouth, we go know the direction of how the sport might and they go.
All right, Swap Baby, just give us some guidelines for the sports.
Okay, for say the competition gets different guidelines, different rules where they need to follow in order for them to win. And the rules, number one, the competition will hold for 6 weeks under the Swedish Sex Federation guidance, which means this one now according to their rules, what they don't put for ground, now they go follow to do the sex competition according to their law within their country. Number two, the competition has 3 levels, and in order to advance to the next level, the contestant must obtain a certain minimum number of points at each one. This one it means for the person where they do the competition, for the person to advance, for the person to jump go the next level, you need to follow the number of points where they need to get. You need to get the particular number of points, one put it like that, before him or she will go the next level. Number 3, the participants will engage in sexual activities under 16 disciplines, which include seduction, oral sex, penetration, endurance, body massage, foreplay, enduring erotic zone, and more. This number 3 is it means the contestant, whether a man, whether a woman, for the person to go on this competition, you need to follow 16 discipline. First, not be to just waka jam, not be missionary waka jam. They talk about here. He say you need to touch the woman, touch her, or touch the man, touch her where. May body day, may mind day where first before you go start the express journey. And then when you don't start the express journey, so not be hurry, not go driving 250 kilometers per hour. This one you need to hold yourself, because not be as you enter you just come out with every other surplus, every other turn river Niger. No, you need to hold yourself. Hold on, well, first.
Just quick, give us the
okay. Not my brother, never verse. Hold on. Then number 4.
This one at the program, it just suits me.
Okay.
Carry on.
Then number 4. The audience will watch the sex competitions and we take note of various features of the sexual activities. It means not be where 2 or 3 are gathered. It means plenty people will sit down, they watch this competition, and they go see they write down. According to Yibo, they're going to take notice. You take details of everything. This one, they go sit down, watch the thing. They call right, waiting they watch, waiting they feel say it happen for grand. Then number 5, the contestants in the European Sex Championship will compete in demanding 6-hour session each day with individual matches lasting 45 to 60 minutes. This one, if they talk about say the people where want to participate for this sex competition for the championship, so it means say not be 30 minutes journey be this one, no. Never, not be 30 minutes, not be even 2 minutes. In fact, this one they even talk say not be even 20 minutes. It means say 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Now you go to do am, and now for 6 hours, down, no minus, no plus. You just have to follow. Do am, whether that 45 minutes, 60 minutes, for 6 hours. Then number 6, 20 people from different countries will participate in the competition. This one they talk so not be only the Swedish state go do this one. It means say 20 different people, like 1 to 3 to 20 different people from different countries. Now one join body do this competition. So then number 7, a panel of 3 judges will decide the championship winners, while the audience will also influence the decision of the sex competition. This one they talk say the people who want judge this matter, we want to say yes, no, you've won, all those ones. Then are 3 different people, 3 judges now go sit down, and not be only them, the people who sit down watch the competition go still decide on top the matter. Number 8, contestants will be judged on several aspects of the sexual activities. The final decision will depend on several factors like the chemistry between the couple, knowledge about sex, endurance level. They say the contestants they go decide for their matter according to how they do the sex thing pass. The styles where they do, how they tell body, how they not run for 250 kilometers per hour, how they tell themselves.
It be like say you want to go the competition.
No. I said
Listen.
I said over this.
Una go give her time because I know if you talk waiting, I don't know. Until I hear guidelines and
all the guidelines don't finish now.
He never finished.
No, how many be?
No, the many one are 9.
Okay,
give us the
last one quickly.
The number 9 say a couple with the knowledge of Kama Sutra, which means say the ancient Indian sculpture on sex and eroticism, will receive bonus points, and the championship would encourage people from different sexual orientation to participate. It means say couple, like people, as they want to do the docking, so the 2 people who want to do the docking, if they don't get knowledge, they don't know about this sexual thing before, and they can't know the particular one from India, say they know that one, they can't do that one, they say they will give them extra points. If they will give them 2 before, they can't give them like 4 or 5.
You don't hear the guidelines.
For the championship.
You don't hear the guidelines. So more hear your opinion about this sport. Now small sport they take the carry sport before you know if you enter Olympic. So more hear your own matter concerning this new innovation sport.
Well, how many she called just now?
9 guidelines.
If we say make we discuss that 9. If you feel just point 2, 3, where be say country people who want listening to. If we talk
okay, one of the guidelines when she read say according to the Swedish law of sex, meaning say law for there already, that law of sex already dey ground.
Yeah, so, according to
what she read, there is no be new thing for them. I just say somebody go there now go invoke the way we call it, go invoke the law come out.
Yes.
And the one when I want to make you look when you talk about 45 to
that one not the category of number 3 now.
No, I just press all of them. Come.
Number 3 say the participants would engage in sexual activities under 16 disciplines, which include seduction, oral sex, penetration, endurance, body massage, foreplay, exploring erotic zones, and more.
Okay, now you want to talk on. All right.
Don't be saying I don't want to talk on. Now you did.
Yes, talk on number 3.
The reason why we'll talk on number 3, you will let us know so that more people keep them out. Because if they do adverts since January for this competition, me, for apply.
You want joy?
Why?
Eh?
Why?
They not they win.
They win.
Not be competition.
Yes.
Not be cup or anything I'll carry come house.
Yes. You still carry money come out.
I'll still carry money come house.
Yes.
The way everything will be now. I know they to play football, I know they play golf. But this one will be say the fake, not this one. No. As you be, utilize them. I wish the advert come as since. Majority of us for this country, this state will for apply. They said last week Wednesday. Yeah. Now it come out. Because anywhere money day person they look for us for make we not thief. Now let's go to that number 3. You go hold that phone. No, you go hold on.
Okay.
It say the docking matter. Because the area where me they look, not children.
Yes.
Docking, according to our tradition and culture here, when you dey dock, even when pikin dey inside your room, if you never sleep, papa and mama no dey dock. The day the pikin catch them, they will be like people where they catch for public, some parents. So they make sure say children don't go far before they dock. If Swedish government get this kind of law for their country, and I dey understand say for that same country, money dey there. Majority of this, according to Benin people, Igbiagia, when it dey Italy, Holland, Germany, Austria, majority of them they sneak enter Sweden. Because it be like na cold area, riverine area, where be so Igbo they work for inside sea. When they come out, they always look for all these women. So if, according to the way me they hear about the country, say police they after the prostitutes where they that country, foreigners where they can't do prostitution for that country, they pursue them up and down. If this kind of thing they take place for that country, say sex they grand. According to the competition now, that grand sex day. How we go do they say 20 persons from different countries.
Yes, different countries.
That means if Nigeria person day, most Nigerians go one watch. Yes. Are you getting me?
Yes.
And the process of watching, they say between from 18. If you see people who play with computer parts these days for Nigeria, now children below 18. They can break in anything where you say they not fit break in. They will come sit down. Because competition, now they call it say sport. May they go watch sport. As they watch soccer on that sport. As they watch volleyball on that sport. They want to go watch sex matter on that sport. For Sweden. Through online. Except where they want show one. We not know. Then again, more come back to the docking matter proper. He said the docking will take how many minutes?
45 to
60
minutes.
Then 6 hours.
For 6 hours.
A day.
For football, after 45 minutes, they'll go 15 minutes break. Then for this one now, 45 to 60 minutes. Break no day.
Break day.
Between
that's one full day. You complete 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours.
For one full day.
You
So
can be break.
now you know which time you want to complete the 6 hours.
6
Then
hours.
for the
But for anyone when you start,
yes.
it must last you 45 to 60 minutes.
That means that docking will take 45 to 60 minutes.
Yes.
Then the other one, when I hear what you read, he said not be just jump enter.
No.
He said you first touch. Abi?
Yes.
When you touch, at the corner.
Before you go further, you see people go sponsor this kind of sport.
The people when introduce this thing, and you ask this question because it does strange to me.
Okay.
As a Nigerian.
Okay.
Say sport of sex, they come up. And then they won't start them on the 7th. Abi? Waiting with the forbid for this country. 2 friends lie down with 2 boys lie down with 2 girls. As friends, 4 of them for the same bed. It's still a part of waiting that they forbid. Say you they see your friend when they play. Not to talk of say that they do competition for waiting that they will and produce on that spot. That one they surprise me. And again, you know why they analyze all these things? Since when I hear it, it's not a joke. Until now, call me come up from office, say, make I come studio today to come talk about this thing. And when I see the 9 guidelines, we go back evil. Because this thinking, now from the highest pit of hell, Where they come from? I know some girls today, ordinary or dress, make I see you face to face, it dey hard them.
We not the good as
No!
Forget it. You know if you say this sport 20 countries now they participate for this sport. You know look and say next edition. More than 20 countries.
You dey talk about next edition. We dey talk about this one.
You know, me a sportsman, so me they look at the profit where need dey behind the sport. Me no they look whether I come from
I come. Listen, you see, we fit argue this thing, we argue rich, where we argue rich, we'll come up for this studio. Because I don't want to make you enlighten the public for the benefit of this rubbish. I must be against it. You are talking about what we start tomorrow on the 6th. Rubbish to be shown to the whole world. You are talking about the continuity of it. They never see head for this one.
They don't see head. Because they never see head, they not get date, and they already get judges.
Continue.
But the thing we say, in as much as they see this thing as sport.
Okay, wait. Okay. Let me bring you. You agree say doking are part of exercise, yes or no?
Yes.
For competition.
No,
doking, is it part of exercise?
Oh, you dey ask me?
Yes.
Oh, you dey ask her?
Part of exercise.
Yes.
But this one
now exercise or no be exercise?
na exercise.
Is doking are exercise or no be exercise?
But then where this problem now they come now and be say they won't make them as game officially. Make people they watch.
Okay, naturally for our society here, we don't see where people they take them as a game. So why not just go for the money?
Where they take them?
We know around our territory. We know where people they stand.
Where now? Don't talk.
Listen,
don't talk what you don't know. This one a game.
Now sports na game.
Wait, sports na game.
Yes.
Badminton na game.
Yes.
Under sports.
Yes.
Cricket na game. Under sports.
Football.
Basketball na game. Under. You hear anyone with the naked they play?
No.
All of them.
This one is the first one.
Wait now. I say I did get something. They still they pump am into me. I dey tell you now. Say if they do this one, the UN, the main body where they charge of this world, if they not come out go against this thing to ban that country from the entire sport, because they get right to ban. You see, for sport matter, people body they will be say they can stop the country from participating in any sport if you count this one as sport.
Okay.
They don't do anything actually wrong though.
With what you read just
no, see this one, more push this one aside. But then they don't do all that sports. It's not the issue what we get with them now. What would they see as issue because so they not be issue. What would they see as issue now? Now be say what we Africans not really accept, embrace what they want to do now based on our culture. Because to them it is very okay that they embrace that they all gone and normal level. Now we they see them as issue.
Okay, now we they see them as issue.
Yes.
Yes, you know, say when the sports don't start as a sport editor, I go to give my country people the update. The country when they win, at the medal table they be, I go to give them. That my chief editor just they look me. I go to give them the update, and I go look for the countries we go participate, so that I go read them to the people so that they go know, and I go to give them the medal table, and so we go take cut breakage for the program, and if any new development still come for the sport, I go bring una come because the
not for the sport, for Sweden over this matter.
All right, my country people, that's how we go sign out from the studio. I want to appreciate my two guests when they join me to chook mad for this matter. Una bye bye.